Hello everyone and welcome back to a new episode of ILU BIM series. So in the previous videos we have seen that how we can build this model. In the last video we have also seen that how we can work with schedules. So we have created two different type of schedules. One is the door schedule, which comes under the schedule, and one was a floor material takeoff, which comes under the material takeoff. So we have seen that how things are connected with each other. If we make any change in this model anywhere, we can also make changes in the floor and the plan views, and the same will be updated automatically in the material takeoff or the door schedule or any of the schedule which you have created in your model. And also we have seen that how we can work with different properties. So we have discussed two different properties. One was instance properties. For example, if I click on this column and change any properties in this window, in the properties here, if I change any of the properties, it will only affect this column, the selected column. But if you want to change in all the family, like if you want to change in all the columns of the similar family in this model, you have to select this model column, then go to the type properties. When you go to the type properties and do any kind of change here, like suppose if I want to change this from 1 feet 6 inches to 1 feet 6 cross 1 feet 6, okay, if I click OK, so all the columns would be updated to the same size. You see, all of the columns are updated to the similar size. So this is how instance and type properties works. So let's discuss another property in Autodesk Revit today. Okay, so I recently figured out that I have not added any stairs in this model. If you look at this model, we have added columns, doors, windows, walls, railings, floors, and components, everything except the stairs. So we have not added any stairs in this model. So let's add a kind of stairs in this model. So for that, for instance, we want stairs like here. So this is our first floor, so I'll go to the first floor plan. So now I am in the first floor and I want stairs here. So how we can add stairs in our model? So just go to the architecture tab and here click on the stair. Once you click on the stair, you will have an option to choose run, landing or support. So we are going to start from the run. So it says how you can make your stairs. So in the properties, first click the type of properties you want. So it is a 7-inch maximum riser, 11-inch tread, and assemble stair. These are selected. You can also go for monolithic and precast. So let's create one with the default setting and then change it to the another one. So first let me explain this how it is going to work. So if you see, it is starting from the first floor, that is the best level for it, and it is going directly to the second floor, which is the top level for it. So let me start it from this point and just go to this point. So you see that we can create 19 risers, which comes in 16 feet 6 inches. So what we can do, we can actually start our stairs from here and go all the way till here. So we have these stairs which are starting from here and goes to here, but we don't want our stairs to start from this point and end at this point, because we want it to start from this point and end at this point. So all you have to do, just click on the stair and then just change its direction. So you can change its direction, just click on this and then click on the rotate button. Now rotate it by 180 degree. When you rotate it on 180 degree, its direction would change. Now if I finish making these stairs and check it in the 3D view, let's open a tile view and see how our stairs are going to look like. So our stairs are installed here like this. So let's go to the tile windows and do the changes and see it real time in 3D too. So let's change this stairs to another type. So I've selected the stairs again, and now from the assemble stairs I want to change it to monolithic. So once I change it to monolithic, you see we have these changes which we can see here. If you want to delete the railing, you can delete it like this, just click one and delete on the another one. So you see we have our stairs like this. I will undo my changes and leave the railing. Now select the stairs again and change it to monolithic precast stair. So I click on precast and it will be changes to precast stairs. So you see the change in the stairs. So all these changes you can access it from here, and from here you can change its properties like its width. If I change it from 3 feet to, for example, 5 feet, and click on OK and OK again, and you would see the stairs would update. So you see its width is actually updated. So let's delete these stairs and draw another kind of stairs. So again in the architecture tab, click on the stair, and this time we will start from run, then provide a landing, and then again start another run from that. So for instance, if you want our stairs to start from, for example, this place, then we go up to like here, then we provide a landing here, and then we again start from, suppose we want to start from this point till this point. So you see our stairs are like this. So now you see that these are created like this without any landing. So how you can add the landing to it? Just go back, and now click on the run, make a run. If you don't if you go like this, then it will automatically add a landing like this. You see a landing is created like this, so a landing is attached with this. So if we click here, so you see stairs like these are made. So these stairs like these are made. If you want your landing automatic manually by yourself, just delete these and start your run. For example, I want till here, and then I want to add a landing here. So I click on the landing, and you can just select 2 runs, or you can also sketch it. So if I want it from a sketch, I'll create on a sketch and then create my landing like this. So for example, I want landing like this. So this is created, and I click on this one, and our landing is created like this. Now if I want to add run to it, so I'll click on the run and finish my stairs like this. So you see this is made like this. Now we can move it back so it finishes with the floor, and you can see that our stairs are created like this. So you can make any kind of change. I know this is very weird, but you can create your own kind of stairs. I just wanted to show you the process of how you can make stairs. Now if you want to add a railing to it, so you see automatic railing is added to it. You want to change, you can also change, and you can also delete this. Okay, sorry, I've deleted everything. So let me delete. You can change the selection by just highlighting one figure and then click on tab to select the another one. I'll delete this railing, and now if I want to add a railing to these stairs manually, so I will go to the architecture tab, click on railing, and now I will click on pick new host. So when I click on pick new host, it will ask me where you want to put your stairs railings. So I want to put my railings on these stairs, so I'll select these stairs. Now in an option to draw the railing, so I'll for instance I want my railing from this place till here, and from here I'll click again here and then click on this point, and now from there I want it to go all the way till this point. This is very random, just trying to show you the process. So let's finish making these changes, and you see that till here it is attached with these landing, but from here it is not attached to the run, because our landing and runs both are different. Okay, so let's delete this part of the railing. Click on this railing and delete it, and we can add it manually too. So this is how you can create your own stairs. So this is how you can create. Let's create delete this and create a right kind of stairs here. So you can also do some manual calculation and see where your stairs would be placed, and also check how many stairs do you need. And when you draw it with the Revit, you would see that same calculated stairs numbers or risers would appear here too, so you can use Revit for making stairs in your model too. So for instance, if we want to go from here all the way till here at the landing and then go to this point, so all we have to do is click on the railing, sorry, not railing, click on the stair, and now let's go to the monolithic or the precast stair. Change some of its properties, like let's run width is 5 feet is okay, let's make it 7 feet and 1 feet is 7 inches and 1 feet is also okay. Click on OK, and let's make stairs from the center of 2.5 feet from this wall. So this is fine like this. So we see we can make stairs till here, so we don't want till there. Just let's just make it from this point. Let's go till this point, then provide a landing, and then we go back till the other part. So we'll draw a landing here by this tool. Let's take a rectangle tool and draw stairs like this. You can also change its dimension from here too. So just add these 2 extra lines, and you can use the trim command to delete the extra part. So okay, so landing is completed. Now let's create a run and go back till the end like this. So you see our stairs are created like this. So we need to change its direction, so it is started from here and then go back till this point. So we will just change its direction. So we just need to rotate it by 180 degree. Okay, and we also need to rotate these by 180 degree. Okay, so these are rotated like this. Let's delete the railing from here and the same railing from here too. And now let's finish making it like this. So let's go back. We made some changes to correct this one. Let's go back to its original position. Okay, so our landing is fine. Let's add the run to it and go back till this part. So stairs are created like this. Okay, let's move it to the fixed position. Okay, so this is fine. Now let's finish the stairs, and once the stairs are finished, can delete these extra railing, or let's just keep it this way for now. So then click on this button, so it will change the direction of the stairs. So you see the direction of the stairs are changed, and this is now how we wanted it, like how I imagined the stairs from this point, and then just go back to this point. And also add a landing here, so click on edit stairs. Now click on the landing, click sketch, and then you can draw another set of landing here at this point. So click on OK, and you see a landing will be created here. So this is how you can create beautiful landing. So we don't need a railing by these two sides, so we will delete these railings and just keep the one on the left side of the stairs. So let's click on the continue, and we don't have to leave open spaces here. So click on the OK button, and we have other left, I don't know where, or the other stair railings. We can delete these and manually. Sketch is empty. What does it say? Okay, so this is for the railing. So I've deleted the railing, and now I can manually delete these railings too. Okay, so I've deleted these, and I'll click on OK to finish editing these rails. So you see our rails are installed and our stairs are in place. So this is how you can add stairs in your model. So I think this is enough for today, and in the next video we will see how we can work with other components of Revit, and let's improve our model to a next level. Till then, take care, and please subscribe to this channel and like this video. Thank you.